Okay, so I am going to show you how to do a histogram with a frequency distribution in Excel. Now, if you just click on histogram, so I'm going to delete this for a second. If you come here and you go to data and then data analysis, there is this histogram option, okay? And so A1 through A output P1. And if I don't click anything, I'm just going to get this, okay? And what this is this is the frequency distribution for your bins. And what this says is this, then if I turn around and I make a histogram, I get one here. Actually, hold on a second. So it's coming up beforehand. Okay, histogram, data, okay, right here. I'm gonna go to chart output. Okay, right here. Now I think I got both. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here is your histogram, and you can see there you've got your nice histogram. You probably want to change the labels and all that stuff. This over here is the frequency distribution, and what these bins are and what you're going to want to rewrite here is this is actually 60 to 62. This then is 62.5 to 63.5, and you could make this, want to make these even, so you'd probably go back here, and this is 1.5, so this is 60.5. And you'd continue on going. And so it made the classes for you, and you can go back in and do it. And what each of these are, this means it's 65 to 63, and it keeps going down. And this is the more, anything above this 77. And so this here means it's below 7, it's 77 or below, but it stops here. And so then if I added all these up, I should get my 134. Now, the thing though is that a lot of times it makes, well, stupid classes. And you might want to control your classes. So if you go here to control your classes, you can put in your bins. So for instance, I want to crip by 5, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay. Actually, I don't need 60. I don't have anything below 65. Below is my highest one. I can set my bins here, and then when I go here to data analysis, histogram, I'm going to put here my bins. So I'm going to do F3 through F6, and then I'm going to do it. And now you can see here, it made me this, but it set my bins for me because of labels. So what I did wrong here, I can tell you exactly what I did wrong here. Let me clear this. It's because I switched between the two things I was doing and I didn't look. So I'm going to clear all this. Clear, all, delete. Okay. So data analysis, histogram. I'm going to uncheck this. Oh, for Pete's sake. Right here. Okay, because I did this. Oh, okay. A2 through A35. The problem is this I would have had to include the bins label, one or the other. There we go. And so now you can see here, it let me choose. And these are my classes. This is 60 through 65, 61, 66 through 70, etc. So this is up to 65. So if I come over here, I can see here then up through 65, right there, 13. And that matches my 13 here. And then by clicking it too, then I don't have this, and I can delete that, and see then it'll even come off this. I can readjust it. And I can even then, once I have this, I can delete this part and reconstruct the graph if I so choose. In this case, the problem is I would need to then put the apostrophe in here. But I would probably rewrite these as classes. I would probably rewrite this as, say, 61 through 65. 66 through 70, etc. So that when I go to do it, I get the nice graph, and I have them all labeled down here. It's because it was half and half. Let me finish doing this. So this is, well, just here. I'm going to get really weird ones. 70 and 80. Okay, so if I come here now, insert, And you can see there, I've got my classes and the bottom. So those are some options, some ways to use that to your advantage, how to even control the output.